In this video, we'll go over the advanced LHP 3 web editor and show you how to edit your website pages. Once I log into LenderHomePage, I am taken to the command center. I'll start by clicking into the LHP 3 website and marketing section and click on the Manage option. If you have branches for your account, you'll see a list of them. At the top of the list is the admin option that you'll want to select. You can see what section you are in the top section here, Website and Marketing. To get to your website pages, you'll select Website Content and go down to Pages. For this advanced section, we will go to any page and select Edit Page. This takes you to the LHP 3 web page editor, where you can manage page details. In this advanced tutorial video, we will be using the stackables, content blocks, and different aspects of the editor tools. To start, we'll go over the stackables, which are pre-configured, beautifully designed, mortgage business-oriented templated elements with different content and layouts. From the left toolbar, select the plus icon and filter between common areas of use. Hero elements, call to action, and other. Simply select a layout and the stackable is dropped into your page. These are all built with your company fonts and colors built in. And keep stacking different elements as you see fit. Next, we have the content blocks. The content blocks are generic containers where you can free design from and add individual text or imagery layouts. There are dozens of simple layouts. You just click and drag your selection into your page and the layout is applied. As you can see, these content blocks are populated with generic placeholder content, unlike the stackables that have predefined content. Finally, we have the LHP 3 editor tools. To access tools, simply click on any of the content elements and the tools will appear on the right. These are dynamic tools, so your options will change based on the element you select. As an example, clicking on text will give you text editor tools, or clicking on an image will give you options to change the image and cross links. Within your individual tool options, there are also 3 object manager tools. First are the internal editor tools. Much like a Word document, they are the gray highlight section of the element you are editing, with controls on the bottom, and dynamic editing options on your right toolbar. Second are the column tools, highlight green here. Clicking on the yellow Options tab gives you tools to move the section within the container. Third are the container tools, which is this vertical section of tools on the right. This holds the content you dragged in and manages any of the elements inside as one object. There are arrow tools to move your section up or down your layout. The settings tools allow you to manage the spacing. And if you want to remove the whole block, you just click the red X. The final tool to note is the undo tool, which will step you back if you make an edit you don't want. To show these tools in action, let's quickly customize this content block to be something that highlights my business. I'll start by clicking on the image to get the tools options. From the right bar, I'll select the folder icon to access my image library. I can scroll through the stock image library and select an image that I like, or upload my own image from here on the left. I'll select this stock home image here, and the image populates to replace the placeholder. Next, I'll adjust the copy. I have a nice blurb here talking about my approach to business and how we are part of the community. And I'll finish that off by adding a headline. I'll access the options from the bottom gray bar. As you can see, there are a lot of options. I'll select headline 1 and the text will populate. From here, I'll make a couple quick edits. Using the access options, I'll move the content box up. I'll remove the subtext since I don't need it for this example, and I'll adjust the headline to match my message. Something like part of your community should work. My edits are now complete. If I wanted to, I could adjust the font's color, size of text from right here. Otherwise, let's give this a quick scroll through to see my page. I'd like this new section to be above my call to action, so I'll move that with the container tool arrow. And I'm all set. Once you are happy with your edits, make sure you click the green Save and Publish button from the upper right-hand corner, and your edits will go live for your website. We hope that this advanced page editing tutorial was informative for you. And if you get stuck, you can either chat with us or join our next website training session for more helpful tips.